Thank you for tuning into Jent Tech. Please like and subscribe. Today I would like to show you an introduction guide on how to use system configuration for dual booting. Dual booting is the process of installing and running two different operating systems on the same computer. It's a fantastic way to experiment with new software, run legacy programs, or simply keep your work and personal environments separate. This method is suitable for those who want to run Windows and Linux on their machine simultaneously. Always make sure you click Apply and then OK to save your changes. You'll be prompted to restart your computer to apply these settings. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe and like button.